Hi, thanks for watching. I'm Anja from Akadowski Lifestyle, where it's a one-woman show. Product reviews, real product reviews, and today we're gonna dive into the Open Fun Mixer, a startup from Berlin, which is creating quite a buzz these days. Hopefully you can decide if it's worth for you buying or not. And already to say, I'm not going to do this engineering numbers power review. I really just want to see, does that bloody thing work? Okay, so let's dive in. First off, let's talk design. The Open Fun Mixer is really modern and minimalistic and fits perfectly in any kitchen. The glass jars are my favorite because they add a premium touch to it and making it not only functional but also stylish when placing it directly on the dining table from the mix. Now onto the setup. It's incredibly straightforward. Just instinctively plug all the pieces, the blades on the jar in, or follow the QR code that comes along and you're good to go. Plus, I have to give a shout out to the packaging. It's made out of Getreidespelzen or grain husks instead of styrofoam. A big win for eco-friendliness. I asked you on Instagram what you want to know about the Open Fun Mixer, and you said cleaning, dishwasher friendliness, and peanut butter. These were the top three. Well, for me, it's also pesto, which I'm doing here now, and I can already tell you the learning: don't make it in a jar that kind of shape, because it doesn't work well. I don't know, some physics. So let's talk about cleaning as you wished. Cleaning the Open Fun Mixer is simple. You can take out individual parts, which is a game changer. Unlike my old mixer from Snack, where dirt used to get stuck in the silicone ring. Ugh. Every part here is accessible and easy to wash with some pressured water, steam, cloths, and mixed detergent. But Open Fun says no to wash with hot water or in the dishwasher. Sorry, guys. Oh, by the way, this is my favorite way to clean the mixer. Peanut butter. Should we really trust that video from Open Fun Mixer Instagram? Let's see. The glass is quite warm. Oops. Okay, let's do second round on a smaller jar with fully vertical walls. Yeah, of course, nothing is as easy in the video, or it needs more practice. I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Do I? Fun Mixer? Another round. Okay, putting my finger in there. Oh, so warm. Fuck. Yeah. Okay. It is creamy, but again, we have here those dry pieces, which are then stuck basically here. If you're dependent on the mixer to do the best creamy peanut butter, not sure if that's the best choice. I actually will not use it to create peanut butter, I guess, but we could potentially mix it, put it on the side and mix it again. I don't think I need to. I like to buy my peanut butter. So in case that was important to you, Cassie, unfortunately, maybe it's not the best one. So there you have it. The Open Fun Mixer is easy to use, easy to clean. I love that you can really take out the parts and clean them individually. Big plus for me. If you're buying it to do the perfect peanut butter, I'm not sure. There might be maybe other mixers. I don't know. Write it in the comment section below. Other than that, it's stylish, it's sleek, and you can send it back for repairs. I'm really a fan. From my personal use, it's a yes. You can definitely get an Akadowski logo, which only matters in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell and subscribe button. Thanks. And thanks. What did I do there, makeup wise?